Hello and welcome to Realty Pilot's tutorial on the IMacro system for Firefox. I'm going to be starting today's tutorial on the Generate Macro pop-up box. To get this box to appear, you had to have completed a BPO form or you are rerunning a macro. To rerun a macro, all you need to do is go ahead and select the gear-looking icon in the function section of any previously completed BPO that was the comps only or residential standard form. Once you get this pop-up box, so the first thing you're going to notice is the asset order ID. This ID is the same as the reference number that you put into the Realty Pilot system. Underneath it, you're going to notice the platform. The platform is the form that you are filling out for the asset company. As you can see, I am filling out a ResNet standard residential form. Uh, However, I could be filling out a ResNet short form or a ResNet monthly status report. Depending on which form I am filling out, I just need to go ahead and hover over and select it. So if I was completing a short form, I would just select it and then run the macro from there. I am completing a residential standard form, but if I did not know, I could go ahead and select download sample form. And that will go ahead and open up a PDF that will show you what that form looks like. As you can see, this form is a standard BPO form like most asset companies, and this is the form that I want to use. Once I am sure that I have selected the correct form that I am filling out for the asset company, I would go ahead and select Generate Macro. Once I've selected Generate Macro, I should be taken to a page that looks like this. If you're taken to a page that says URL too long, this means that you do not have the iMacro system installed for Firefox. If this is the case, go ahead and hover over Support, and at the very bottom you'll see Download iMacros. Go ahead and make sure that you've downloaded iMacros for Firefox. It'll be an add-on to your system, or add-on to Firefox's system. And once you've installed that, you should go ahead and rerun the Generate Macro Now button, and it'll take you to a page that looks exactly like this. Once you're here, go ahead and select Run Macro Now. It'll bring up a pop-up box that'll ask you if you want to allow this program to run. Just go ahead and hit allow, and this will begin the macro. As you can see, it took me to the ResNet page and auto-logged me in. If you do provide Realty Pilot with the username and password for the asset company, it should auto-log you into the system. Now, one thing that's very important are these IMacros pop-ups. These pop-ups go ahead and let you know what the next step is for the system to run. As you can see, this one says, please click the link to open the BPO you want to edit, then click continue in the macro task pane. So I'll go ahead and select OK. Once I've selected OK, I'm going to select the BPO I want to edit, which happens to be this BPO right here. If you get logged, if you can't log in or you get logged out during any time, just go ahead and re-log in to the system. Make sure you spell everything correctly. This would be the same functionality as if you did not enter your username and password for the asset company into the Realty Pilot system. Just go ahead and log in like you would normally, and then select the BPO that you would like to complete. Once I've selected the BPO, as you can see, the BPO form comes up, and I would select continue. Now, what this is going to do is going to run through the macro, filling in all the information that you've already previously put into the Realty Pilot system. Once it completed filling in the first page, it's go ahead and prompt me to please proceed to page 2 and select continue. I'll select OK, go down, proceed to page 2, and select continue. Again, it'll run through and fill in all the information. This information was already filled in on this page because it was previously done, but if it wasn't, it would just fill in that same information all over again. And as you can see, once it's finished, the IMacros task pane disappears, and I have all my information for the BPO filled in for me. All I need to do now is go through, make sure all the information is correct, fill in anything that did not get completed in the form, whether that be adjustments or the data source. Once I filled all that information in, I go ahead and either submit the BPO or save it or do whatever you would normally do once the BPO is complete. I'd like to thank you for watching this tutorial and hope this helped.